Yeah, the king's arrival, feel the tectonic shifting. On a global mission with the vision that they gifting. Brown boy swagger on a different kind of level now. Put the whole game on lock and I ain't never settling down. This that new rain energy, you feeling the force. We changing the game, yeah, we setting the course. This that new rain energy, you feeling the force. Yeah, feeling the force.
Yo, my man, remember that sick music video from the intro? I'm about to hand you the ultimate cheat code to make it 100% free. We're using Google's secret music AI model to dominate TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Ready? Let's cook. First, pick your vibe. My favorite right now, Hanuman kind. Head over to ChatGPT and tell it to write a detailed single-paragraph prompt for a 30-second music clip in that style. Copy that gold and let's move. Now hit up Gemini. Go to the Tools section, select Create Music, and paste your prompt. It'll take a second to cook, but you'll get a 30-second masterpiece, perfect for shorts. Listen to this quality, bro. Absolutely fire.
Midnight hits, the engine howling, clipped 808s, the asphalt groaning, cowbell lead is ringing. Yeah, the king's arrival, feel the tectonic shifting. On a global mission with the vision.
Another Tuesday, thinking about your face. Can't forget the way we used to groove and sway. Maybe we'll
Download it as an audio file and let's keep moving. If your brain is growing right now, drop an FLA in the comments, Free Learning Academy. That's how we keep the knowledge free for the fam. Now let's be the director. Head to AI Studio and fire up Gemini 3 Flash. Upload your music track and give it these exact orders. Act as a pro music video director with 20 years experience. Tell it to break your track into 6 5-second cinematic scenes. It'll give you a story that hits every beat. Now ask Gemini for image prompts for each scene. For the visuals, we're using Arena.ai. You can use Nano Banana Pro or any top-tier model. By the way, if you missed my cheat code for unlimited free Nano Banana, the link is in the description. Generate your images and let's animate. Take those images to Grok AI. Upload them, hit the Imagine Video option, and paste the animation prompts Gemini gave you. Simple, right? Now you've got cinematic clips for every single scene. Final stage, let's cook the edit. Open CapCut, drag your music and clips to the timeline. Hit it with those transitions and effects. And bro, don't forget the lyrics. That's what takes a video from mid to legendary. If this just changed your life, subscribe and join our Patreon community for the elite stuff. Catch you in the next one. Peace.